It was an ordinary day. Just a chill day, relaxing at home. But I've been here for too long. I'm too comfortable here. And that's when I got the idea. Then I decided to call my brother. Let's get the hell out of here. My grandma told me that we all live inside little worlds, but you've never truly lived unless you've seen the real one. After hearing that, I knew I had to spawn somewhere completely random. So I flew roughly 5,000 miles away from my hometown, and then eventually I landed in Japan. Well, me and my brother, that's David. Absolute beauty, best tour guide in the nation. This guy knew all the spots, from temples to monkeys to the second tallest building in the world. It's amazing here. The sights, the food, the buildings, the nature. I think Japan is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. But aside from all that, this trip has really forced me out of my comfort zone. I mean, obviously because I don't speak any Japanese. Actually, pause. Watch this. Sumimasen, Nihonsho itadakimasu ka? Bruh, I blame Google Translate for my pronunciation. But let's continue. This trip seriously opened up my eyes to how big the world really is. There's like thousands of these things. And that no matter where you go, everybody else is living in their own little world. But we all live a pretty similar life, don't we? After all, everybody shares the same sky. And all the water on Earth has been recycled by everyone and everything. We're more connected than we think. And this idea made me realize that Earth is my home. Even if I'm thousands of miles away from the comfort of my bedroom, there really is beauty everywhere you go. So let this be a sign for you to absolutely send it to somewhere completely random. Go book that trip that you've had in mind. And if nobody else is down, nothing's stopping you from leaving town. So travel if you have the chance to. Money is something that you can always make back. But it's the time when you're young that you will never get back. So book the ticket and never look back.